Welcome to the Montenegro Tower. Let me show you around. The tower is an old stone ruin from the Ottoman Empire, around 300 years old, and I bought it last year, and this year I'm planning to open a co-working space and a live music bar. We're inside the tower now. The wall is around 10 meters high, so it's a really big building. One big room will come out in the end, including live music and a lot of space for the digital nomads to work. As you can see, there is a lot of space here on the property. It's around 2,500 square meters in total. My idea is to have a little gym over here and a few accommodation. If you would like to support the project, you are now able to help out with the crowdfunding, and I have different options. As you can see, we have a lot of space, so I can plant a lot of trees with your name plaque on it. And I also want to have a lot of different benches all over the property where people can just sit and relax and get their work done. All of the details will be in the description below. This right here is my favorite part of the whole property. It's going to be the future wine cellar. If you would like to support the project, I'm going to put the link to the crowdfunding campaign below. You can leave a lasting impact by planting your own tree with your own name on it. We're doing our best to finish it by late summer, maybe around September. You can then come over here to Montenegro. If you want to follow the progress of our construction site, I have an Instagram and a Facebook channel. I'm going to link them below in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in Montenegro.
So aren't you going to say something?